Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on using multiple adapters with Airmagnet Survey Pro. My first step to run a multi-adapter survey is at the launch of the program. I need to ensure that I tell Airmagnet Survey Pro that I want to use more than one adapter. I can choose up to 2 wireless adapters when performing site surveys. Here, I'm going to select not only my Proxim card, but also a Netgear adapter that I have. I go to the survey area on the left-hand side. I can now see a separate survey instance for each of my adapters. Each adapter can be configured individually for the survey that you would like to run. Note that when using multiple adapters, you may be limited in which surveys can be run with a particular adapter. Airmagnet recommends running a passive survey with one adapter while running an active survey with your second adapter. Running a survey with multiple adapters is beneficial because it saves you time on walking the building site, as well as ensuring that both the active and the passive surveys being conducted share the same walking path. In addition, by running both surveys simultaneously, I know that any conditions that were present during one survey were also present during the other survey. This can give me additional confidence when looking at the data and comparing surveys, and making sure that I'm truly comparing apples to apples. It is also important to note that there can be limitations on which 2 cards can be used together for a multi-adapter survey. Please refer to the adapters area of the Airmagnet website for further information on your particular adapters. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Airmagnet Survey Pro.